this is Jet of Eat Good TV, and this is our edition of Jamaica and the Jamaican food. And Margaret's over there, as you might know, and I wish that I was there to enjoy myself like her. I know she is just having a wonderful time over there with the food and the weather. It's cold here. As you can see, I got my jacket on. Even in the house, it's a little chilly. So it's best to put on a jacket. Because the other day, it was like, I think it was Saturday, it was 4 degrees with a wind chill factor of -20. So it was very cold. But it's warming up right now, so that's better. But anyway, I wish I had the opportunity to travel there this year at this time because of the weather, but I had to work as usual. So one day I might get an opportunity to visit the beautiful country of Jamaica. But anyway, enjoy the videos. These are the videos. Margaret is in Jamaica right now, and she is shooting a lot of footage, and she is bringing it to me, sending it to me, and I'm doing the editing. So just enjoy it, and I'll do the best I can.
Soak your saltfish overnight and put it to boil. So set the saltfish in the pot boiling to get out some of the salt, because you have too much salt in it. And if you have high blood pressure, make sure you soak your saltfish very good overnight, then you boil it to get out most of the salt. Not all, but most of the salt. Now that it's golden on one side, just flip it over. You just flip them over. They're golden on one side, flip them over. And when they're golden on the next side, then you remove them from the pot. So it's frying nicely. The fritters is all finished and looking very delicious. Delicious, delicious, delicious. I have to have a taste of it. It's looking so good. And you have small. You can fry them small, which is this size. Small. You know, small like this. Yeah, small, this size. You can fry them any kind of way. You can fry them as large as this. Look how big this is. Yeah. Fritters. This is what we have for breakfast in Jamaica. Saltfish fritters. Very, very delicious breakfast. We have it with our mint tea, chocolate cocoa tea, yeah, any type of tea, green tea. Yeah, we have all those type of tea here. So I'm in Jamaica for a while. So I'm gonna be in Jamaica for a few weeks. So I bring you all the good food from Jamaica.
Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. We have lots more to come. The adventure of Jamaica and Jamaican food. We have a variety of different food. And we also, on our channel, we've fixed certain items that are Jamaican cuisines in a different way. We have brown stew chicken. Chicken foot and gizzard soup, oxtail soup with red peas, tamarind meatballs, ackee, and and Saltfish Burger, and also have callaloo bread. That's just a few right there. But a lot of the dishes that we made are traditional Jamaican recipes, but they got a little twist to it, a little something different added on. But it's very interesting. So if you want to just check it out, and it is very interesting how she do it, how she add on different items to the Jamaican dish, and I think it spiced it up to a different level. But please check it out, and I think you'll like it. So bye from Eat Good TV, and see you next time.